DJN
Welcome to TJN Daily News Update, your one-stop channel for everything news and gist happening all over the world. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time this video got to you. And if this is your first time of seeing any of our videos, please don't forget to go a step further, like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first persons to know whenever we drop a new video. Now let's take you straight up to the main news.
Ebonyi State no go fit join Biafra o. Umahi na talk this one. Hey guys, na still TJN Daily News. Now na dey watch so. Dave Umahi wey be the governor of Ebonyi State, e don come out again come talk say Ebonyi State no go ever fit join Biafra. He say Ebonyi State no go fit be Biafra land at all. The reason wey the governor come talk say be the reason wey Ebonyi State no go fit be part of Biafra be say he say e better say Ebonyi State dey low because everything go dey okay and nobody go dey oppress anybody. He say na equal right everybody go get for inside Nigeria. He say so if anybody dey tell anyone for inside Ebonyi State say Biafra Ebonyi State no go fit be Biafra. He say make nobody deceive anybody for inside Ebonyi State. This one when he dey talk so na inside one video wey we wan show now wey dem say accept am see the warm reception wey dem give am wey dem organize for am after he don declare presidential bid for inside Abuja as he come back for that trip for Abuja. So na him be the big welcome wey dem give am say because say you declare say you wan be president, we dey proud of you, so we dey welcome you in this grand style. Make we watch the video, we dey come back.
I also spoke to our father about the insecurity in Southeast, and I pleaded with him, of course, thanking him for receiving Chief Mbazulike Amechi, who went to discuss about political solution with Mr. President. Mr. President is a man that listens, is a man that has love for the nation. And when you are disciplined, you could be misunderstood. But you must forge ahead because you're only answerable to God first. And so I thanked him, and I re-echoed that this is the desires of the leaders of Southeast for a political solution without prejudice to whatever is the judiciary process. And I believe strongly that the leaders of Southeast should initiate that, provided that no further hate speeches, there are no further violence and killings. And my position for Southeast governors is that anyone that wants to cause insecurity in Southeast must be crushed. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. The economy has been destroyed and we wonder about it. If not the grace of God, Southeast would have been destroyed before other regions in the entire Nigeria. This is very little, insignificant percentage of the people of Southeast. They were dishing out those hate speeches. The Igbo man is a builder, he's not a destroyer. And let nobody be afraid of the presidency of an Igbo man. There is nobody from Southeast who will become president that will not work for the greater unity of this country, because we have investment everywhere. Anybody is telling you about Biafra, first and foremost, I have been saying it, Chief Elechi said it, Ebonyi State will never be part of Biafra. We are not Biafra. We've been so oppressed, and now we are finding our feet, and you want us to go back. We will not. We are better in a fair and equitable Nigeria. And we are not going anywhere. We are not going anywhere. We will continue to insist, to dialogue, to appeal that we be treated fairly like other regions in Nigeria. And I have hope, very seriously. Some enemies of Southeast say if the Southeast person become president, he will divide the country. How will he divide the country? We have investment everywhere. Do you set fire in your house? So we need a lot of prayers. And let me tell you, very surprising, the Ebonyi project in my hand will never be delayed even for 1 second. Because that is my first calling. And I'm answerable to God. When I finish here, straight to the airport to go and supervise projects. I first went to supervise the one this way. This greater project will not delay the first assignment that God gave to us. So if you are making your memo, it's still the same thing. We will scrutinize. Anywhere I am, and with calculator and with my phone, Ebonyi project will be anchored properly. If you doubt, you can try me and see. No matter where I'm doing campaign, there is no project in Ebonyi State that is not in my head. And there is no money that I will not know and discuss. And so I will end by thanking you very, very much. God blessing this project will further the good works of Mr. President. I know Mr. President, I know his good heart towards Nigeria and Ebonyi State in particular. We will keep all his great and good legacies. We will also deepen it, especially finding a lasting peace for the entire country. As President of Nigeria, if God wills, I will fight the corruption of this nation to a standstill. There can be no development. The economic indices going down can never come up until the leaders of this country, in a town hall meeting and dialogue, we all make up our minds and sit round table conference and decide it's a time to repent and build a future for our children and grandchildren. It's not about Mr. President, it's not about the governor. The late, they have a lot to do. It is a question of turning away from our ways, turning away from self, beginning to know that it's appointed unto man wants to die. After that, there is judgment. What have we done with the position that God gave to us? We begin to reflect that the only way your family will stand is to build other families. What we did in Ebonyi State, we can replicate it at the federal level.
My people, una welcome back. Una don see wetin the Ebonyi State governor talk. He say Ebonyi State can never be part of Biafra. He say Ebonyi State no be Biafra and Ebonyi State no go fit be Biafra. And when the council dey talk, so they talk about the presidential bid. He say wetin he don do for Ebonyi State, so he go fit replicate am, he go fit duplicate am, he go fit put am for every part of this country. So he dey call on the support of everyone for this country. He say because Igbo man, they be builder, they not be destroyer. He says so if any Igbo man become the president of this country, he said, and by God willing, if he become the president of this country, he say he go build this country and he go fight corruption to a standstill. So my people, wetin una think concerning wetin Dave Umahi wey be the governor of Ebonyi State so don talk? Not mind he say some people don still talk say make dem no vote for am o, make dem no support am to be president o, say because he no dey respect press media. And that one still dey ground, but according to wetin he don talk so, wetin be your own view? How you see the matter? Drop your comment for the comment section below.
Welcome back. Thank you so much for staying with us till the end of this video. But before we go, we just want to let you know that we're also on Facebook and on Instagram at DJMTV. Also check out our website at www.djmtv.news. There we drop news 247 non-stop. Do not forget that you could also place your advert with us here on DJMTV News, and be rest assured that your business will get to the desired market. Well, so we'll come your way again with another edition of DJMTV Daily News Update. I remain your host, Laura Favor.
Yeah. DJ ATV.
These Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJ TV.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV.